This is a review of this Play smartphone for kids, and the brand did send me a free one so my kids can check it out and play with it, and they've really loved it. So I wanted to demonstrate some of the features. Now to turn it on, you're going to press over here, you're going to see the 4-inch touch screen. The nice thing about this is it mimics a real cell phone. It even has a camera. You can see it has video options. Here's where you're going to pull up the photos. You're also going to have the music playing option. This one here reads you stories.
The frogs complained.
Now this one over here is Luna. Luna's a very cute panda bear. Say hi. Luna's a very cute panda bear. Say hi. You can tickle him here. Other games are featured here. You can see a multitude of games your kids can play. Now over here, you're going to find the piano option. Up here is a really nice drawing app. Over here is a learning app where you can learn about animals, you can learn about the ABCs, various landmarks, and even geography.
Africa, Antarctica.
Like a regular cell phone, you're also going to get an alarm clock, stopwatch. There's even a calculator over here, and of course a flashlight. It's rechargeable using this provided USB cable. It does come with some other accessories as well, and I would highly recommend this for anyone who has kids that would want a make-believe smartphone.